Hi guys, thanks for joining us again for another unboxing. As I said, we've got a ton of new LawMate products. This is another one of them. Let's go ahead and get into it, but this is their DIY camera. So you may remember us doing a couple of our DIY ones. If not, we'll put a link in below so you can click on those. But this is the LawMate one. So this has very similar features. Let's go ahead, we'll do an unbox and then I'll run you through everything. So again, we've got the awesome LawMate boxes. The way they're designed and presented is exceptional. Inside of here, we've got our quick start guide for the unit, and we've also got our quick start guide for the PV Cam Viewer app. So this unit again works with the PV Cam Viewer app. You've then got a rechargeable remote for starting and stopping the footage if you wanted to. Underneath the insert we have even more components. So we've got two micro USB charge cables, one for the remote and then one for the camera. So this is the little DIY camera here. So as you can see, you've got a lot of different buttons and switches on the side of it, everything from pairing the remote button to turning the Wi-Fi on and off to switching between continuous or motion activated recording. Also the power switch on the left hand side as well. You've got your DIY lens itself, which is all nicely hidden. The heatsink's all nicely hidden behind that plastic, so no risk of getting it on something and burning something or catching fire or something. So that's been a big improvement there. You've also got your micro SD card slot in the bottom and your charge slot in the bottom. And this is for your battery, which it does come supplied with as well. So there's a little battery that comes supplied with it. That battery there lasts for about 3 hours, but you can always plug it into continuous power or run a larger, bigger power bank off of it and then have that as a backup for it as well if you wanted to. As with all the other LawMate products that we sell, this unit also comes included with the 16 gig micro SD card and the adapter. So don't forget, if you're going to buy a LawMate product, all of ours come with that memory card included. Thanks for joining us on the unbox, guys. Like I said, there's a little bit more to this unit, but a lot of it's around the DIY camera and the versatility that you have now for mounting it. Join me on the next video and we're going to break it down. I'm going to plug in the battery, we're going to rig it up and show you some footage and what it's actually capable of doing. So yeah, stay tuned and make sure you click on the next video. Thanks for joining us, guys.